Hello everyone, how are we all doing? Hope we are all doing fine and welcome back again to our YouTube channel Pasidonas TV. We are also on Facebook with the same name Pasidonas TV. Feel free to check us on Facebook or on YouTube. You are highly welcome, and also share and like our videos. My people, I don't carry come again. I not say for this Nigeria, if na Igbo they can say Chiho and also so many things that happen, and not be everything where we they hear or we they see. Now we go fit chook our mouth for all the matter. Well, this yesterday why I been see this thing about Precious Chikwendo. If you don't know who be Precious Chikwendo, him be the ex-wife, if not the last wife of Femi Fani-Kayode. This man, na former Minister of Aviation. If I say, what people they call this man, my brother, my friend. If I don't know why, because anybody where you go in snap picture with, you go tell you na my brother and my friend. Anybody. You go north, na brother and the friend. You go east, na brother and the friend. You go south, you go west. Anybody where you snap, all the politicians, na brother and the friend. Anybody where you know. So people don't they call him my brother, my friend. This man, honestly, when I see this way they call respect, dignity, it really is important. So anything where you they do in life, try to make sure say you get your dignity. Make sure say people they respect you. No do things where you go begin to fall your hand. Begin the disrespect you. Begin the make people they see say you know what, or you know valuating the things say you be. This man, he too talk. Anything where you see on social media, you go one talk. Anybody where be saying a happening person, you go one identify with that person on social media. This man can write. When I want to read that, you want to go in page. This man can write whether the ones who get sense and the one who no get sense. I say they write. And this man, the kind of politician where he be, you know they sit one place. This man they swallow in words. In fact, what it makes so many people not begin the respect or seize even the little respect where they get for this man, can't stop. And at the time when begin the abuse in domestic staff, and this one be say this very domestic staff, he go viral. People see him. Me say I even carry that video. People see him. I don't know how it go meet the guy. Tell the guy say make him go talk say it no be like that. Saying I gotta be better person. This and that. Well, maybe the matter will carry me come. What it make me the talk all this is not to talk background of this person. If I don't know him, the kind person where he be and the kind behavior where he be. Recently, we leave PDP, join APC. I didn't make video about that man, no. Maybe I go still link the video below. After everything where you don't talk, castigate, still leave him, go join APC. Well, like I said, maybe the matter will carry me come. Matter will carry me come, na erectile dysfunction, na carry me come. Hey, this man too make my, this man too talk, and this man they aggressive. Who they? Who they breathe? Hey, my people, no be small thing, no. You know, say, in carry in picky way in wife, ex-wife born for her. You know, the agreement the wife can't see those ex-wife, can't see the picking them. You know, they agree. They don't they go cut up and down. You don't they. So they begin the lay accusation of that woman. I know I begin to talk this is the way they don't talk about that woman because I don't go feel remember all of them. But the recent one now where they happen now, this lady don't talk about sign carry gets in keys, sign take conceive. It's saying a via artificial insemination. Say our brother and our friend, our guy, Femi Fani-Kayode. Say no, they perform. Let me say they love this man, no. But this one a public assault, a public disgrace. Now the kind of man where he be, I don't they wonder. I know because I believe everything where ex-wife talk. But I don't wonder how many wives where this man don't marry. And so thank God always the one identify say he still they in good times with all this wife. He married from Ghana. He married from so place. And all these wives they were married. Nobody give a son. No, now this lady now. This Precious Chikwendo now give a son. Even Precious Chikwendo say in lie. Saying third wife, he saying don't divorce with them. But he no divorce. Now when EFCC can't read their house, 9 say the marriage certificate today. In fact, and this man, his ego too they up there. His ego too they up. EFCC carry this man, the man saying a friendly visit. Then they say he go visit a friend, 2 days he say come back. Hey, people can them welcome. So I think John a piece now, whether in problem go solve, he never solve. Well, make I read some of the things where they talk. He say Precious, who alleged that FFK assaulted her during their time together as a couple and also lied to her that his marriage to his third wife had ended, asked the court to declare that she was never married to the former minister. Like say she never even married him at all. And in does say they beg for in custody of those kids. He gave what I read from all these things that touched me. He said because this FFK the day in front of not paying his workers, his domestic staff. Most times his domestic staff they go just leave, they're not giving him informer. Like say he don't owe you go say no, I no one work again. He say okay, make the money where when they owe me, make it eat and say make I no worry. The person go carry him back go. They come they talk say as the woman come they talk say the way when they take the treat his staff them. If he make his staff maybe one of these days they go just they angry, can't treat in kids like that, or they go just they angry as then they leave because the man know they pay. They feel leave, the kids go just they nobody go there with the kids. So one of the reasons when they ask me they give him in kids, make him just take custody of in kids at least. If not for any other, for any other thing, at least for now, because I know say one person they get picking. Man still follow get picking, woman still follow get picking. If na Western world, then go do am 50-50. He stay your house 1 week, he stay my house 1 week, he stay your house 1 week, he stay. No, like that now. No be say that one person go just carry the picking them. The other person no go they see him. So what in there be say anything where we they do, may we just stay careful. May we always they keep our hands straight. May we always they keep our hands straight because this man, no they too. If I know even they straightforward talk of say in there, you know they at all, you know they. And now see as it matter now in wife now, and as this woman they go now, the way why they see him, you know go rest. So you get what in the way in talk. Make I see what I give see that he went talk of recent. So make I read what in talk. In say I will file all the necessary evidences available to you return my keys. Precious Chikwendo tells ex-husband Fanny Kayode. As this lady talk this thing, it resemble like person will go quit today and tomorrow. You know go quit. So FFK, if you know what's good, I beg make him get the scene picking them. At least for now, where those kids still this small, now you suppose they in position to they take care of those kids. And my people that always they tell on this thing. Make it be yourself, oh. No just come out on social media, begin the tap blessing up and down. You want to be like this thing. When I not say that time when they go to eat food, they go to laugh. You go give her, you go say one girl. You go just swallow one ball. You go laugh. So then wife go to barb in hair. You know, they go to post, they put on social media. Even when speculations done, they go say none they get problem with the wife. You know, agree. You can't they say you want eat food with him wife. And then the video the woman go just give him swallow. You go say one go, two go, like that now. They jump up and down, like say, I don't know what they jump up and down for. So when I don't see make everybody be himself. Just there you learn. Work hard. No wish to be any other person, I beg. Because the matter, things that way they happen now plenty. Thank you, my people. I go stop here. See you soon on my next video. Bye.